Hello, all my students. Today we spoke about invents greenhouse uh, basic on agritech. Israel, Israel, it's the agrotech ways most in development in the world. What does it mean? In Israel, a long time. Israel, long time, make research about what the greenhouse that give us the whole climate for example to grow up vegetables in the desert. We talk about that about a presentation before. What I do today is to take all that we were studying and put you inside in this presentation, and I must make another presentation, maybe another week, to complete all the story, all the information about the greenhouse. Because and I make you some movie, small movie, that explain about many kind of technology about agrotech and greenhouse. And you must understand, uh, a lot of the technology come after research in Institute of Agriculture in Israel. And we know that many kind of technology come from Israel. And we take our technology to many kind of country in the world. In Africa, in Asia, in North Asia, in East Asia. It means what I want to say, it's Japan, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, and the other side of the world, and the American Latin, from Cuba and all the Gulf of Mexico, all the country that it's South America. And we all the time make research to get something very important. What I mean very important, the research in Israel, it's not only what the greenhouse give the food supplies more. No, it's not only these things. They have another thing. For example, uh, they have many kind of greenhouse. We know that. You have a greenhouse that covered in plastic bag, a greenhouse and covered in polycarbonate and glass, and many kind of technology to build the greenhouse. And they have many kind greenhouse that we must understand that not all the greenhouse the same. For example, what you see behind me is a greenhouse in tunnels, big tunnels, okay, that they grow up and seal. And we see also vegetables grow up in the seal. It's not covered at all with any plastic bag or any greenhouse. So what I want to tell you, we know that the most thing that we learn, that we have many kind of technology to grow up vegetables. We spoke about that. We see movie. It's about how we grow up. If we grow up in the water, it's hydroponic. If we grow up in the seal, they have many kind to need to cover the seal to protect from parasites. There are many kind of technology that we must know it before that we want to build a small tunnel or high tunnel or greenhouse tropic. Okay. So another thing that I want to tell you, in Israel, environment many kind of vegetables. For example, you listen about the small tomato, the name is cherry, but they have another tomato, big one. They have a smell and taste. It's old taste. It's a baladi. And you have a tomato, it's look like a plum. Really, it's something going in the side. This is for industry. It's very important to make a tomato sauce. For example, they have another tomato for tomato sauce. So we know that they have a different kind of tomato, but they have a different kind of vegetables that in development, the beginning of the development is in Israel. So the agrotech in Israel, it's the most important to bring something new for the world. And the other thing that we know, that's about development of also the drift organism in a tube, precisely to roots. Remember, we speak about the tube that take water and give them slow by slow down in the roots, or in sprinkler that come from up and bring water like raining. It depends what greenhouse you have. And if you need to sprinkler, you see the movie, movie precisely automatically sprinkler that know exactly how much water they need the plant, because they have some system that we put it near to the roots, and it give us exactly how much water the roots need. This is the first thing. The second thing, you have some electronic device that you put in the fruit, and it give you how much sugar have in the fruit. So all this new technologic that give us information to grow up fruit, the best of the best, or vegetable, the best of the best, that if you sell to the market, if you have business to sell this in the market, it's be 100% price you take because it's look beautiful, it smell beautiful. You have a long time in the market. So it's not after 2 days you take all the vegetables given to the animals. No, you can give the vegetables time about 1 week in the market. It's not nothing happen to the fruit or the vegetable. It's very important. It's engineering inside, genetically inside about each fruit in each vegetable. Everything going make it in Israel in agrotech. So there's a subject is many kind of things we want to speak about the presentation. And we know, for example, that either hydroponic agriculture is a man growing, first is growing in the last decade in many kind of aspect and capture even larger in about in the last decade. So the last decade, a lot of country understand that if they want to grow up vegetables, they don't need seal. You can grow up vegetables in water. This hydroponic technology that give us things that we can understand how we can make it very good. So it's the important things. It's about the protolyzer. The protolyzer It's very important. Why? Because the most good fertilizer that you can find come from Israel, from the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea, it's a place that thousand of years, water supplies from the sea going to the some place in the desert, and there, when the water is going little bit to going to up, they still down some salt, and for inside of the salt, they have a lot of fertilizer. For example, magnesium or uh, a fertilizer for bring to the roots uh, minerals to grow up much better, much strong, and and little bit down from the parasite. So it's very important because the fruit not wounded with the parasite or wounded with insects. It's very important. Everything is gone inside the fertilizer. The fertilizer come many kind of shape. The fertilizer in like a water that you put it inside the hydroponic in the water inside. They have some pump that know exactly because they have electronic device that all the time look what happened inside in the water. So if they not have a lot of, for example, iron, they bring little bit iron, they inject in the water iron from the fertilizer. Or, for example, if the plant need, for example, magnesium or carbonate, all these, it's come inside, inject in machine in the water, and the water running, and between the roots, and the roots take this mineral and make the greenhouse green and give beautiful fruit and supplies. I tell you about it that we in hydroponic in a plastic bag. You have kind of you have some kind you have some you have some kind of for example of uh, electronic that know exactly. I tell you about this. They know exactly what they need plant, and we know that it's about each plant give 200 kilo for tomato or 150 kilo about cucumber. So all this, it's agrotech. It's agrotech. It's a high tech of the how it's called the take of agrotech. So it's very important to understand all these things. So another thing that I want to speak with you. Another thing that I want to speak with you. It's about something very new. The name is aquaphonica. 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 It's amazing. It's something between hydroponic and grow up fish. The the research say, wait a minute, if we have a parasite in the water, some insects or some, why we not put inside the fish in the water, in the pool of the water, and the minerals from the roots going in the water Most of the fish eat these roots, these minerals, grow up, okay, and what the fish take out from the body, it's be the mineral of the plant. So it's something, the situation, it's true to be good to grow up first fish and second vegetables. This is a aquaphonica. It's amazing. It's amazing to understand. You say, wow, all this, it's a new technology. So and you ask yourself, wait a minute, if we can grow up fish, we don't need to take only the fish that come from the Red Sea, because Mombasa is in Red Sea, okay, or near to the ocean, Indian Ocean. You can grow up in water, sweet water, fish. But if you grow up fish and what it take out from the fish, it's be mineral for hydroponic or to grow vegetables, why not? Why we make things together? Okay. And the other thing that we spoke about it was about the greenhouse in tunnels. Remember, a small tunnels, big tunnels, what you see behind me? It's a big tunnels. So this is very important because this tunnels in seal. When it's in seal, it's something different. You need to put a fertilizer in the seal, down of the seal. It's something different. You need to put some fertilizer, a little bit poison, the parasite, that not this poison don't come to the vegetables. So when before you grow up vegetables or put seeds in the seal, you need to clean the parasite. And we see a picture. We covered all the area with a plastic bag about something about 1 month. And after that, because it's warm the seal, and the parasite died because they not have oxygen. And after that, they make ore and put inside the seeds or at a small plant that we grow up in a greenhouse. We spoke about how we take seal, how it called seeds, and make it grow up to be a plant. And tomato, cucumber, many kind of what you want to grow up. And all this, it's I put you in a small movies and presentation, and also each presentation down before you see the movie, you have up of the presentation. They explain exactly when I say hydroponic, they have everything about the hydroponic. The little movie about 4 minutes or 3 minutes, it's to take all what I write and make it a movie that you understand more. If you have somebody not understand pictures and movie, it can get you more information. There are people that is given more information or to read. Okay. So thank you very much for today. And I hope everything will be okay. And we see you next time. Thank you very much.